Tired of struggling with complicated database setups? This video will show you how to install Mysql on Ubuntu 22.04 in under 2 minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. First, we need to update your system's package list. Open your terminal and type the update command, followed by your password when prompted. This ensures you have the latest versions of available software. Once the update is complete, it's time to install the Mysql server. Type the installation command into your terminal. The system will then ask you for confirmation. Type Y and press enter to continue with the installation. During the installation, you'll be prompted to set a root password for your Mysql server. Please note this password, as you will need it later to manage your databases. After installation, it's crucial to secure your Mysql installation. Type the secure installation command into your terminal. This will guide you through several security options, like removing anonymous users and disallowing remote root login. Answer the prompts carefully. For most users, the recommended settings are perfectly fine. Type Y or N as needed, then press enter to navigate. Finally, let's verify that MySQL is running. Enter the status check command into your terminal. If MySQL is active, you'll see a message indicating that the service is up and running. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Mysql on your Ubuntu 22.04 server.